All right, first things first is to remove the negative terminal cable. Just working with electronics, electrical, don't want to risk it. So move that off to the side. So we're going to go ahead and get started by removing 2 Phillips screws from the side of the driver's side speaker panel. So as we remove those, we're going to go ahead and pop off that front panel. Basically just pulls out toward the driver's seat. Pretty easy. And then you're going to find 4 Phillips screws, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and undo those. And originally I put in some aftermarket kicker speakers, the 4x6, but I have a neighbor of mine that has, or used to, work with audio, so he had some 5.25s laying around, so I ordered some brackets, and we're going to go ahead and install those. So removed the 4 screws, bracket comes out, pull it out carefully. As I'm pulling it out, I'm going to disconnect the ground and the power on the back. Doing that right now. And then I'm just going to kind of flip over the speakers here and show you. Here's the kicker speaker and power ground. Removed those. So this is the bracket I bought for 5.25-inch speakers to fit into a Jeep. Works well. Order it from Amazon. I'll provide the link. Right now I'm just testing the fit to see how it works. You'll notice a bracket I'll show here shortly that interferes that we need to cut out. That's the main job for this whole video. So there's the bracket. I'll put the link below. And there's that curved metal piece. That needs to be cut out. Basically what happens is it gets in the way of the back magnet on the speaker for the 5.25-inch speaker, so that needs to be cut out. All right, so safety glasses, make sure to wear those. Right now this is just a quick video of me using a Harbor Freight Dremel tool to start cutting the top. Now I put some lines there to kind of designate areas where I need to cut, but the tight space was pretty difficult, so you'll notice I'm just cutting at an angle. So just kind of doing a quick run through just to see how to cut. Now once you cut the top and break it apart, you want to bend it down. It's a lot easier to do it that way because then you can cut across as I'm identifying there, and it's a lot quicker. The top part is quite painstaking, but as soon as you bend it down, you can cut it off, and it's pretty easy. And you can see there's the gap. That's going to allow for the 5.25-inch speakers. Little jagged edge, I had to clean that up a tiny bit, but I'm not worrying about it too much. So we just have to cut that last part off. So we're going to dive into that real quickly, cutting across. Again, at the marks, you'll see like 2 little divots in the metal piece. You can use that as the part. I'm just kind of wiggling it free now. Breaks apart, nice and easy. There it is. Now this part I zoom in on, the little curve, you want to bend that back, get it out of the way, put it in its original position. And as you can see, there's it with the bracket, the 5.25-inch speakers fitting well. All you have to do is really cut out that curved metal piece to allow for the speaker magnet to reach back, and that's it. And then you do the exact same thing on the passenger side. If you have any questions, post it below. Thanks.